All right, guys, here it is. After a crazy crunch on the Justice League, I have now bought myself a new present, which is this new street photography for 2021. It is the Fujifilm x100V. This is the unboxing. Let's jump into it. All right, so it comes in a super clean case. It's pretty heavy, so I'm guessing this camera is going to have some weight to it. All right, here we go. Start, we got a battery. I actually heard these things last quite a long time, but I did hear that you want 2 or 3 of these if you're out shooting street photography, so you don't ever like run out of battery when you're trying to shoot the perfect shot. So comes with 1 battery, USB-C. There we go, for charging your camera and for dumping all your photos onto your computer. So we got that. And looks like it comes with a strap. It's actually pretty cool. Comes with a nice leather strap. If I can get the sticker off my finger. Looks like it comes with a nice leather strap. It says Fujifilm on it. So if you need one of these, like I said, the camera did feel like it was pretty heavy. This is really nice to have. All right, let's get down to it. Whenever I watch these, it's always like, let's get to the camera. All right, first impression, this thing's really heavy, but in a good way. It just feels solid and well made. All right, here it is. Let's check it out. All right, so first impressions, the thing feels absolutely amazing in the hand. Has a nice grip, so you can walk around and hold it like this. All the buttons feel well made, tactile feels really good. I would say one of the things that's so cool about this, let's get this box out of the way. One of the things that's so cool about this camera is this flip screen. You actually wouldn't even know it was there. That's how well they made it. So just pull that right there. Pops right out. So this is really cool when you're trying to shoot at an angle where you need to get it somewhere and you still want to see what you're shooting, or if you're shooting a really low picture, you can get this down, you can tilt your screen like this, get the camera really low to the ground and get that really cool reflection that you want. Or if you're shooting from the hip and you're walking around the city and you don't want to pull this thing up, the rangefinder up to your eye and bruise the scene in any way, you can pull this out like this and walk around and shoot and know exactly what you're shooting. After a year of the Ricoh, I got so used to not even looking at what I was shooting because there is no viewfinder that I just got really comfortable knowing what the lens was going to shoot and just nailing a shot without ever having to look. But this is really, really nice, and I hope every camera implements that into their next batch. So let's just put that right back in. Just snaps right back in. Here's the camera lens case. Feels like it has a little magnetization in it or something. It sits on there nice and strong, which is also very good. So the weatherproofing on this camera, from what I've done the reviews on, is really well made. The only thing that you need to worry about is where the lens is. So I have heard that if you get a little bit of a UV cap for this thing, it'll make it fully weatherproof, which will be amazing for up here in Vancouver when I'm shooting a lot in the rain. All right, let's pop the battery in there. Another thing, you just click that, pops nice and open. Take your battery, click it in, close this, click it. There you go. That's the review of the unboxing of the Fuji x100V. I'm gonna get this thing out for a POV street photography session later this afternoon. As you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. There should be a lot of nice light, shadows, and just texture to go play with today. So I will take you guys out for that. You'll see it coming a little bit later on this week. Thanks for tuning in. This is the Fujifilm x100V. I think it's gonna probably take ranks over my Ricoh for 2021, but let's see. That was my favorite camera for 2020. I spoke very, very highly of it. But I mean, just getting this thing in my hand and everything that I've read and all the people I've spoken to, this thing's an absolute beast for the street. So let's have some fun. I'll see you guys out there. Thanks for checking in. See you next time. Cheers.